Okay guys, it's that time again. Tablescape Tuesday. Go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, cause it's Tablescape Tuesday. Y'all know what I have. What are y'all drinking?
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage with this back and forth, this back and forth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Face. And guys, does anyone else feel like me? Do you feel like the summertime just took wings and flew on by? And I just don't feel like I have had a summer. There were so many tablescapes that I wanted to do. One being this one that I'm actually doing today, which is a lemon themed tablescape. It is a very elegant, using some fine china, a little bit of rusticness, and the lemons. So before I get started, this is Tablescape Tuesday, and I do welcome you all to my channel, as Tablescape Tuesday is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time by two beautiful ladies, and that will be Courtney of Amethyst Adventures and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. They have done this for, I think, maybe a couple of years now. I don't know. Don't hold that to me, because I feel like time is just flying by. Let me put this lighter down. Let me put the lighter down because I do talk with my hands, and so waving the lighter, let me just stop. So first, I welcome you all here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you, if it's your very first time, I hope you'll like what you see and that you will want to be a part of this family. If you do, just hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I take this time to give you a virtual hug and to tell you thanks. Thanks for all the love that you give. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking now that I have mentioned to you the host for this collaboration, again every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think this is the first time I've been able to join in a very long time. Summer has just taken me by a storm. I don't know what happened. So I have created this very elegant with a little bit of rusticness, a little bit of glam, a little bit of elegance. I just pulled it all together to hopefully give you fine dining. So I'm going to start by sharing with you the place settings. So I'm just going to take you down and turn you around and let you see what I have created. Actually, let me just drop you down. So here we're going to start in the center where you see I have put a little flame to my candles here. And these are the yellow candles into this very beautiful candelabra. It is of crystal. I've added in some pearls around here for a little bit more of that elegant feel. I've added in my little bowl here for your milk or maybe your creamer, whatever you choose to put in here. And then this is the other little dish for your sugar or maybe sugar cubes. We've added this beautiful velvet feel runner. I've placed a tea kettle here, and I've also added in this little dish here that shares like a lemon and lemon slices, and I just set it on top of this bowl. So I'm just going to place this bowl here and put this back on top of it just for a little bit of height here. My place settings are all the same except for my napkins on the end, and I will share those with you. These are my napkins on the end. For some reason, I know this was a 6-pack of these. If you can see these here, but whenever I opened it up, there was only 4 in the pack. And I have looked high and low, so I don't know if maybe somebody had taken these out. I don't want to accuse anybody of doing anything, but I don't know what has happened to these other 2 napkins. So I improvised, and I just took these 2. This is a very silk napkin here, and then just a very elegant yellow napkin, and I layer them together and added on the napkin ring. So they all still, like, they work well together. Place settings again are all the same, other than that little change up there. So here at the place settings, and I'm just going to pick this one up, and you can just envision what they all look like, but I'm going to just show you what we have here. So this placemat I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I just love the way that it gave me that very rustic with that great undertones and natural look there. So we have that, and then we layered with this lovely charger plate, which is also from Hobby Lobby, and it is that lemony feel, just a beautiful charger plate. And then it is very elegant with some very fine china here. And this is I don't have my glasses on, so hopefully we can read this, but this is what this one, the company that made these dishes. And these were a gift to me, to my neighbors that downsized last year. They moved to, I think, South Carolina. And so when they downsized, I got that hutch over there, and it was filled with all of these dishes and just plenty of things that were inside there. So I was blessed. And then we're just gonna layer here with the little bread plate or dessert plate, and then the little bowl. And then I'm going to take a lemon and place inside of each of the bowls. We have our wine glasses, or you can use it for water, or however you choose to. It's very fine crystal, and these were also a part of that gifting. The glassware, and then we have our flatware, and I just kept it with the platinum silver to go along with the here. So guys, this is how I have chosen to style out my end of summer lemony theme. Shall we say lemon with elegance? Not quite sure how I'm going to title this. So for now, this is my very elegant lemon themed end of summer tablescape for 2023. And I almost said 2020. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my share of my tablescape. If you have, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of my gifted items and how I have styled this table out together. And question for you, do you feel like summer just rolled past you and you just don't know what happened? Were you able to accomplish all of the things that you wanted to do this summer? Did you create all of the tablescapes and all of the other things that you had planned for this summer? I know for me, I didn't. So but I'm just glad to be still standing. So again, if you're new, you like what you see, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Lets YouTube know that you appreciate the content that I've created. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you want to be a part of this family, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, thanks to the host, that is Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Courtney of Amethyst Adventures. Thank you, ladies, and to all of the other participants that are participating in this collaboration. Guys, I'm so happy to be back to be able to create once again a tablescape. Now, I'm not sure when the next one will be, but for now, this is what we have. Be blessed, and I will give you an overview. And I failed to mention we are back out at Serenity Place, where I love to create magic on my tablescape out here, on my table out here. So this is where we are today. And before I could create this tablescape, I had to do a little cleanup out here. So wait for that video. It will be coming out real soon. I had to do a little decluttering and a little cleanup before I could do anything else. This candle right here, for some reason, it is the only candle that wants to lean. If you'll notice that the rest of them are standing straight, and I don't know what the problem is, but we're going to leave it be. We're going to enjoy this place setting, and I hope that if you were showing up for a lemony theme tablescape here at my home, that as you walked in, I hope you would have enjoyed this visual. All right, guys, thank you so much. Be blessed. Take care until the next video. I'm your host, your styling with Gigi Face.